Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I am going to do a little bit of cleaning in my bathroom. It's not going to be a real deep clean. I just need to clean my countertops and my mirrors, and vacuum in here. But I'm also going to be decluttering a couple of drawers. That one is my makeup drawer and then a couple other drawers. But I wanted to let you know that today is the July edition of our Declutter series that I started in January, and it's clutter-free in 2023. And a bunch of my friends here on YouTube are taking part in this. So I'm gonna have a playlist in the description box. So make sure that you check that out. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my countertops first, get the sinks clean, get the mirrors clean. Then I'm going to declutter my makeup drawer, and then a couple other drawers. I will kind of look through each of them and see, which ones I need to declutter. But let me go ahead and get started. And if you need some motivation to get your bathroom clean or anything cleaned, then hopefully this will help you out. But let me go ahead and get started. The first thing I need to do is just put away the rest of the clothes that I unpacked from our trip to Jamaica. So once I get all of that put away, then I can start with the actual cleaning of the countertops. Typically use this to clean my bathroom, but I guess it's from my candle, maybe ashes or something, but it's like black and that bathroom cleaner isn't getting it off. And there's actually some right there too. So I am busting out the barkeeper's friend. I'm gonna try to get that up, see if it'll come up, and then continue. Has those, I guess it is from the candle, from the little wick and soot, I guess. So I will need to get the barkeeper's friend to this as well. Can you see all those black marks, like right there, especially right here? So, and right here. So let me get that cleaned. Last thing is to clean the sinks, and then I'm going to clean the mirrors. And you're going to see me only cleaning the bottom half of the mirrors,
And that's because honestly, I just don't feel like dragging out the step stool. So I will either do it this weekend or have my husband do it tonight. But yeah, I just get to what I can. I did want to make sure that I showed you how black came up. So it's all gone. It's actually a shadow. But anyway, all the black came up. The barkeeper's friend did a great job. There's none over here. All that right there is gone. So yeah, barkeeper's friend is really good cleaner for getting spots up. Plus this is white, and sometimes like I get the foundation marks on it, so that gets that up too. So it works great. All right, the counter is clean, and my husband will have to do the top of the mirrors later. But now I'm going to declutter my makeup drawer. Now, my makeup drawer is organized, but it just has too much in it. I don't use half of this stuff. So I'm just gonna go through it and pull out the things that I don't use. And since it's makeup, I'm not gonna like donate it, I'm just gonna throw it away. So anyway, I am going to get started with this. This is the part where the organizer in me, I have to keep it subsided, because what I tend to want to do is while I'm decluttering, I want to go, okay, well, I can put this here and this here. So I have to just keep telling myself, now's not the time to organize, just declutter. So now I'm going through my lipsticks, and to be honest, I'm really not a fan of any of them. So I do know that I use this one all the time, and I can't even tell what it is. Ulta, it's an Ulta lipstick. So I'm gonna put that there. This one, it's just pink and it doesn't show up on my skin. This one is too pale, so not keeping that one. Really, honestly, all of these are too pale. This one's too pink. Yeah, I tried that one on this morning. Too pink, too pale. I hate that. Now this one's actually a good one, so I'll keep that one. And I have lip balm. This, I think this is that, yeah, but it's gooey. I think this is the, yeah, I don't like this. I mean, ugh, it's gooey. Yuck. All right, this one, I kind of like that color. I'll keep that one. This one is, again, too pink. Bummer. This is that sticky stuff, so not keeping that one. And then this, what is this? Carmex Moisture Plus. Okay, that's a lip balm. Okay, so lip balm, lip balm, lip balm. This is a, I think this is like a blush slash lipstick. I don't ever use it. Not keeping it. What is this? Lip liner. Does anybody still use lip liner? I don't know. Not keeping it because I never use it. Lip balm, lip balm. I got a lot of lip balm. This is lip plumping, but honestly, that's a joke. Have you tried lip plumping stuff? Because it just feels like it stings. Medicated lip ointment. I'm gonna keep that. Look at this. This is still in the box. What is it? I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read it. It's probably clear. Yeah, it's clear. I'll keep that. I've kind of gotten where I really don't like wearing color.
unless it's like a brown color. That's too pale. Not keeping it. Lip balm, lip balm. Do I need this many lip balms? Probably not, but that's definitely too pale. Ugh, no, that's not a color that looks good on me. Clear lip liner. Okay, so there. I did pretty good. This is lip balm, and actually I like this. Okay, so I did good clearing that out. All right, now I'm moving on to this side, and this side is really, you know when you get like a free gift with something? Eye primer. I don't use eye primer. Maybe I should, I don't know. See, that's when I start questioning myself. Face primer. I don't use face primer, but maybe I should. See, this is what I do. I start questioning myself, wondering, okay, should I be using this? And if I throw it away, am I gonna need it? And then I'll go buy it. I have a different place for lotion, so. This is concealer. Oh, that's a huge wand. Look how huge that is. I'm not gonna use this. All right. Nail polish doesn't belong in here. And I will go back and organize all this later, but for right now, I'm just trying to declutter. So, Night Complex, I should use this. What is this? Lip Revive. This is actually good. I've used that before. Night Complex. As you can tell, I've not used this. Maybe I should. I'm gonna start. Okay, and then I'll keep those two in case I need it. All right, now I'm gonna finish this out and then I'll be done decluttering this drawer. And since it's taken me a while to clean the bathroom and declutter this drawer, I'm not gonna do any more drawers. All right, so this is everything that I'm getting rid of. I am throwing all of this away. This right here I'm setting to the side in case my son's girlfriend wants it, because it is nice. I just don't wear eyeshadow. And then this I need to put in its proper place. So, but yeah, all of this is stuff that's decluttered, and it is now out of the drawer. And this is what the drawer looks like now. It looks much better. And now I'm just gonna finish off with a quick vacuum. Here is a before picture of my makeup drawer, and here is the after. I think it looks so much better. I'm glad I got rid of all the stuff that I just never use. It's just taking up space, and I just wanted to give you a look at my clean countertop. Isn't it always nice to just go in your bathroom and everything is just nice and clean? But anyway, I hope that I've given you some motivation to get some cleaning done today, and I hope that this declutter video has given you a little motivation to go declutter something in your house. Remember, it doesn't have to be a whole room. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just take a drawer at a time, and eventually you'll get there. But I want to thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel, then I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you like all things homemaking, cleaning, recipe, meal ideas, shopping hauls, that sort of good stuff, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're looking for more motivation to get some cleaning done, then make sure you check out the playlist that I'm leaving for you on the screen, and I will see you next time. Bye.